Now, Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting and reconnecting on Android. Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting and reconnecting on your Android device. Now, if your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting and reconnecting on your Android device, so here are some steps how you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. You simply restart your device. So for that, you need to turn off your Android device, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. And try checking the internet connection, and that must be able to fix the issue. Or else you can just go ahead and go to the network settings. So for that, go to settings, and from here go to network and internet, and make sure to long press on it and click the forget button. After that, manually enter the password and connect to the following network. That must be able to fix the issue. Or else you can also check the Wi-Fi signal strength, so ensure that you're within the range of your Wi-Fi router. Now move closer to the router and see if their connection improves or not. Or else you can also turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait for a minute or two, then turn it back on. This can help to reset the Wi-Fi router and connectivity as well. Following all of these steps, you're still unable to fix it, then you can also try resetting the network settings. For that, head over to your settings, and here you need to go to the system, and after that you need to locate the option that says reset option, and here go to reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and all that, and click the resettings button. And after that, make sure to wait for a while the process is complete. Or else the ultimate solution would be to contact your internet service provider, and they must be able to give you a solution or an alternative idea. So that's basically how you can fix your internet keep on disconnecting and reconnecting on an Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.